Ready? Start. Nepal and India enjoy excellent bilateral ties, full stop. Founded on the age old connection of history, culture, tradition, and religion, these relations are close, comprehensive, and multi-dimensional and are pronounced more in political, social, cultural, religious, and economics engagements with each other, full stop. To add up the formal flavor to such historic relations, the two countries established diplomatic relations on 17 June 1947, full stop. The unwavering commitment to the principles of peaceful coexistence, sovereign quality, and understanding of each other's aspirations and sensitives has been the firm foundation on which our bilateral relations have been growing further, full stop. Nepal's solemn desire to cultivate and foster the cordial and friendly ties with its neighboring countries are reflected in its long standing position of not allowing its territory to be misused by any elements inimical to India, and also expects same sort of reciprocity and assurances from her, full stop. The open border between the two countries remains a unique feature of our relations, full stop. Frontier without restriction has greatly facilitated the free movements of our people to each other's territory and enhanced interactions, full stop. Nepal India relations are, in a sense, much more than the sum of treaties and agreements concluded between the two countries, full stop. The frequent high level visits by the leaders of the two countries at different points of time and the interactions constitute the hallmark of the ties between the two countries, full stop. Furthermore, such visits have helped promote goodwill, trust, understanding, and cooperation between the two countries and have injected fresh momentum to further consolidate age old and multifaceted bilateral relations of friendship and cooperation on a more mature and pragmatic footing, full stop. The recent exchange of state visits by the Prime Minister of Nepal and India in April and May 2018 has contributed to taking the bilateral relations to newer heights on the basis of quality, mutual trust, respect, and benefit, full stop. Apart from taking effective measures for the implementation of all the agreements and understanding reached in the past, the need for reinvigorating the existing bilateral mechanisms to promote cooperative agenda across diverse spheres has been underscored, full stop. Both sides have agreed to advance new partnership in agriculture, expand rail linkages connecting Kathmandu and Raxaul with India's financial support, and develop inland waterways for the movement of cargo, providing additional access to sea for Nepal, full stop. It has also been agreed to address outstanding matters in a stipulated time frame with the objective of advancing cooperation in all areas, full stop. India has been a key development partner of Nepal, full stop. The latter received strong support and solidarity from the people and government of India in advancing its homegrown peace process as well as in the process of writing the constitution through the elected Constituent Assembly full stop. Following the massive earthquakes in Nepal in April and May 2015, India promptly offered helping hands full stop. The government of India has also been substantially supporting Nepal's reconstruction efforts full stop. The Indian cooperation started in 1952 with the construction of an airstrip at Gocharan full stop. Since then, India has been assisting primarily in the areas of infrastructure development and capacity development of human resources in Nepal full stop. Such assistance received from India has helped supplement the development efforts of Nepal full stop. India's economic assistance to Nepal has grown manifold in the past few decades, particularly since the restoration of multi-party democracy in Nepal in 1990 full stop. As agreed during the state visit to India of then Prime Minister of Nepal, Mr. Pushp Kamal Dahal Prachanda in September 2016, a Nepal-India joint oversight mechanism has been constituted, co-chaired by the Foreign Secretary of Nepal and the Indian Ambassador to Nepal to review the progress made and resolve issues in the implementation of the projects under India's Economic and Development Cooperation full stop. The mechanism meets once every 2 months full stop. In the International Conference on Nepal's Reconstruction held in Kathmandu in June 2015, the Government of India pledged a fund of $250 million grant and $750 million soft loan full stop. Agreements have already been signed for both grant and loan full stop. List of projects have been identified for the utilization of the grant, while projects are being finalized for the use of line of credit full stop. In addition to two past lines of the credit, His Excellency Prime Minister of India Shri Modi announced during his visit to Nepal in August 2014 another line of credit of $1 billion to be utilized to finance development projects chosen by Nepal full stop. The government of Nepal finalized the projects full stop. The modality of contracting these projects is being worked out full stop. Water resource is considered as the backbone of Nepali economy full stop. The issue of water resources has always been getting due prominence in the agenda of bilateral cooperation between Nepal and India for a long time full stop, with a view to optimizing the benefits and addressing the problems. Both governments have set up three-tier mechanisms called Joint Ministerial Commission for Water Resources, Joint Committee on Water Resources, and Joint Standing Technical Committee to implement agreements and treaties and also address water induced problems of flood and inundation full stop. There is also an additional mechanism, Joint Committee on Inundation and Flood Management, which deals explicitly with the issue of inundation, embankment and flood forecasting.